Howdy doody. Oh no, don't spill the juice. Does it annoy you guys when people don't record in 60 frames a second? How about excess background noise? Definitely something to get annoyed at, right? Or you could get annoyed at it. Because what is an annoyance? It's a very relativistic statement, question, right? An annoyance varies individual to individual. So while 30 frames a second might annoy someone like me, some of y'all won't even notice that I've shot this in 4K. 60 frames, baby. Why not make it? I'm not just rambling. We're both watching. Well, I'm filming, but play along. Come on, Johnson. We're both watching the same darn video, okay? We can't change the frame. Oh, fudge! Hey, stop! We can't change the frame rate. Okay? But we can change our response. And then you're like, what do you mean frame rate response? What? What are you talking about, Billy? We're talking about irritation, boy. Girl. Whoever you might be. Right? So, there's some situations you can skedaddle on out of, right? There's some situations you can escape from, but there's some you can't. Maybe it's at work, and you need your job to pay the bills, right? Most of us do need a job to pay the bills, so getting up and leaving or just telling the boss man how you feel isn't always gonna be a good idea, right? Even though they might deserve it, okay? So just like the whole frame rate thing, right? Oh, we're out of juice. I bet she'll shoot you if I tip her over. Okay? I'll try to hold it. Your juice getting strong. So just like the frame rate. Just like the situation. Just like I spilled a little bit, you know. Had a little messy poo. I couldn't change the fact that I made a mess. But what I could choose, right? What could I choose? Oh my freaking darn goodness. But just like that, what I could choose my response. Oh, come on. And I want to encourage you guys to choose the less irritated response. If there's annoying background noise and you can't do nothing about it, then just sit on down, take a breath, and thank God that you're alive. You're not in the hospital, because there's lots of people all over the world in the hospital. So, be grateful for what you have. Choose your response to the situations you cannot control. And try to choose peace regardless. But remember, you have the choice. What are you going to choose, you know? Let me know. Have a good day. Jesus loves you.